Just a nice day in Melon City. Yeah, I've heard that the weather's. Oh well, now I think it's raining. Oh yes, it is. Lock the doors, cause we don't want rain into our house. We never want. Oh, rain again! I hate rain. I've heard that Massachusetts flood that happened before. It was super bad. That's where I live. Guys, did you know that I live in Massachusetts? It's the most beautifulest place ever. And these were all mods, right? And I searched up houses on melonmod.com so I could get this.
This is an you can see right there, AHA. This is an AHA.
It's fine. I should watch.
For a 6-year-old. And look at all the lights.
Oh, I do want to have fertilizer today. I mean, I want to check my documents today.
She's using it right now.
What did he say, fertilizer?
So this is not sexual creativity.
Just get random Band-Aid.
10-year-old little girls in support. Here are my daughters who love all things girly.
I need it.
They have to look younger and younger. That is something that
it's raining today. Oh, why do they have time
They
here?
don't need this. And no one's directing
Think just to check
hearts. Concerns and their criticism towards the parents.
Oh, it's a fine day. I could eat some apples.
Just since they were 2.
Let me get out of here. I'm gonna get all wet and go back to my bro's house.
318,000. Probably because you got banned. Rightfully so.
Hi, bro. Oh, hey! Are you going to go to... Wait, you're not my bro. I've heard of you, but you go to the other house. Oh, yeah. My mom and dad left for work, alright? You know adults have moms and dads, right? I gotta go past the Ching office. Look, this was my bro's house, right? Yo, bro! Oh, ow! Oh. Just a nice day in Melon City. Yeah, I've heard that the weather today is gonna kind of be nice. Oh well, now I think it's raining. Oh yes, it is. Lock the doors, cause we don't want rain into our house. We never want. Oh, rain again! I hate rain. I've heard that Massachusetts flood that happened before. It was super bad. That's where I live. Guys, did you know that I live in Massachusetts? It's the most beautifulest place ever. And these were all mods, right? And I searched up houses on melonmod.com so I could get this.
This is an you can see right there, AHA. This is an AHA.
It's fine. I should watch.
For a 6-year-old. And look at all the lights.
Oh, I do want to have fertilizer today. I mean, I want to check my documents today.
She's using it right now.
What did he say, fertilizer?
So this is a screenshot.
Beep, 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 beep.
Influencer lifestyle Swifty, which isn't even spelled the right way. Account ran by Sissy. So that is their way to get around having an 11-year-old or a 5-year-old or a 6-year-old having their own account on TikTok.
I've been in this hospital before and I feel like it's a good
ran by
hospital.
Sissy or ran by Mom. This is another one.
Because I could go somewhere.
So disgustingly awful. It says, FYI, they do not use retinol. And if they like
I can go on
makeup or fun, I will not censure creativity.
Just get random Band-Aid.
10-year-old little girls in Sephora. Here are my daughters who love all things girly.
I needed a Band-Aid for my head, but not now anymore.
Towards children who are literally just excited to be like their mom. Yeah, their mom who's obsessed with vanity. And
I should read
my mom
this.
did plenty of skincare, but my mom always let me know that that was not the most important thing in life. Is vanity and looks and looking younger. We're teaching these kids that they have to look younger and younger. That is something that is
It's raining today. Oh, why do they have tonight
They
here?
don't need this. And no one's directing
think it's just to check hearts.
concerns and their criticism towards the parents.
Oh, it's a fine day. I could eat some
Just
apples.
since they were two, just as they
Let me get out of here.
25,000
I'm gonna get
followers,
all
says
wet and
mom
go
and
back to my
family
bro's
lost account
house.
at 318,000. Probably because you got banned, rightfully so.
But it was neat to go here and my husband took the girls to Sephora, and it was really cute because they met this employee. She was super, super sweet. She might actually be one of the managers of that store. And my husband called me. I was like, Mom, I have to tell you something.
Hi, bro.
We were so sweet, and they were complimenting us on our manners. I told my husband, I was like, please go back in there and ask that employee if she would be willing to.
Oh, hey. Are you going to go to... Wait, you're not my bro. I've heard of you, but you go to the other house. Oh, yeah. My mom and dad left for work, alright? You know adults have moms and dads, right?
And showcasing that not all girls are like that.
I gotta go past the Ching office. Well, that must be easy. Look, this was my bro's house, right?
They roped in an employee. Once again, they're not paid enough to do skits.
Yo, bro!
But she literally heard that the employee complimented her kids on how respectful they are. And
Yo,
her
bro!
first thought was, you go in there and
Ow!
the employee should be part of a
Oh!
video, which they ended up doing. Insane person alert.
No, they actually are. Not once have they
I
ever been
never
employed
liked this
in
part of
not
your house. This is why.
They have like better stock on
I'm
product.
glad I punched it though. It still got fine out, so it's still
Taking my daughters
fine.
to at Sephora for the new at Sol de Janeiro. So a lot of these mommy accounts
Bro,
are
I'm up.
trying to get
I'm here.
sponsorships and trying to get recognized by Sephora
Yeah.
and trying to get recognized and go viral
This
with
would
Sol de
better
Janeiro
be.
and get free products.
Oh,
That's
he's
actually
pranking me.
And guess what? It's working for some of them. So that's
Hey,
why
bro,
I'm
are you
really
pranking
uploading
me?
videos
Trying
where they go
to make
into
me
Sephora. First of
fall?
all, these kids should not know when
No.
products are dropping. At Sephora,
That happened to me
it's
once.
really
I had to
insane.
fix the
People just
stairs.
speak it out loud and just say it for what it is. It's insane. Let them be children. Let them have a childhood. Let them get off of social media and stop.
I'll
pretending
fix the
it's for
stairs
you.
soon.
I didn't give a fuck about any of this
Ow.
when I was 10. And I shouldn't have. Your girl thing,
Frick,
you probably
my
wouldn't see it
chair.
unless you're looking. This is what I'm saying. All these other kids on TikTok, this is all they see. This is all they see. They're inundated. They're like, I need these products because this is all they're seeing. I don't see this stuff because I'm not looking for it.
My chair.
For the people that are
It's time to go back downstairs. It would be nice. Just putting it.
So she doesn't have dark circles, she said. She doesn't have dark circles. What are you talking about?
Hey,
Using
bro.
products. Her mom wanted to do that.
What's going on?
And this is what I'm saying. It's like
Ah.
these kids, like that's why I mentioned like when she mentioned the fact that she's I
Heck.
look ugly right now. I look ugly.
Babe, why do I feel
Kids should
water?
not be saying these things about
And
themselves.
why
They
is
should
it
be
so
thinking like this
rainy?
about themselves. It makes me sick. It breaks my heart that they're thinking like I look ugly right now. I need makeup to look beautiful. You don't. You should.
I would be
think this way,
fine.
Because guess what? Once you think this way, which is 5 or 6, this is why you should care. So
Can't
this is
play
a mom
games
channel.
like this.
Basically, most of her
Hey,
videos are
dude,
about
do you know what's
her
happening?
daughters, the only way
Fertilizer.
to know her daughters. She actively tracks
What?
the ones
No,
because they have a
not
million
that.
more views. Puts a
I mean
playlist.
downstairs.
Look at this video right here, 183,000 likes.
Yeah, flood.
6,400 comments, 18,000 views. And it says, let's talk skincare.
I'm scared.
I think she's actually the best mom in the world. She's
Yeah.
like, okay, so show them that I don't need to use this product. And it's like, no, you're actually one of the worst parents I've ever seen. And that says a lot because I've seen a lot of bad parents. I look at everything through the lens of child exploitation now. Once you start to see that, you never unsee it. And that's how I even discovered all of this. This is disgusting.
Mom!
Use this one?
No.
I'm getting up. I'm kids.
For decoration too, and I use it when I get older. So.
I use it for decoration. The fact that she's even saying something like that is
What is happening?
products on a pedestal.
Oh, bro, the flood.
Don't matter. Okay? You're putting up for decoration because you want to look cool. You want to look like you
I
have a lot of stuff.
sure do love
That's not the way you should be
fertilizer.
training our kids to think. Am I wrong? Or not?
Oh, God.
Okay, is this yours?
Chicken cam.
Whose is it?
Wait. What?
When my mom says I can.
Let's break the windows.
I asked for my mom's permission if I can use it.
Okay, that, by the way, that oil, let's take a look at that, by the way. Drunk Elephant, this is the virgin marula oil. This product is
I might
$68
have broken one of the
oil.
bricks.
So this
Whatever.
It's a $68 face oil. And
It's
she's
time
also
to go
using, which
see.
she should not be, a niacinamide syrup from Glow Recipe. Why are you using niacinamide? It's for reducing the appearance of pores. Why are you using that? Please explain.
It is bubble, and I can use this whenever I want.
Here's a comment that I found. Why do skincare when you're 5 and 6? And she replies, why
Wait.
not? Never
What?
too young to learn healthy habits.
I swear it was normal.
That's why I'm saying it's so rich that she's actually the best parent in the world. So here's the account right here. 4.8 million followers. It's a mommy-run account.
Save
Okay,
me.
like I said, get
It's
ready
like
with
water
us.
bucket clutch.
We're obsessed. Look at all the things right here. Almost 1 mil club. She's got videos that are almost
Anyone,
1 million.
help,
She's trying to bump
help,
it. So it's-
help,
okay, you'll see
help,
it's a decision.
help, help,
Things I've been wanting to do, and now that I'm in my divorce era,
help.
do them even more. So I need you guys to help me
For
decide.
tables,
Cut my hair,
help,
field chopper,
help, bruh,
She
help.
has an account that she
Yo,
shares with her
what do you
children,
want?
And she's doing divorce updates saying she's in her divorce era.
It's flooding in your house. What? Really?
Anybody else see a problem with that? Okay, if you don't see a
Oh
problem,
gosh,
divorce
I shouldn't have went down there. Get up. I need to God. But I put it inside your house. Ah,
Okay, so
ah,
she's spilling all of the tea. Literally did a 5-part series about her divorce. Do you not see a problem with that when you're showing your children's faces, they know your children's names, and you're talking all about the divorce and of their
Is
father
anyone
and
gonna save us?
do this? And then
Yeah.
go make fun of them?
Someone
Say your
help.
dad cheated on your mom? Unbelievable.
So
Maybe
let's
tonight
just
we're
stay inside the Ching office.
So I have all my
That will help.
pictures on my face now. I left it on for
Hopefully it doesn't
These
rise
children
at
are
the second
actually
floor.
trained.
Or-
Look at the mom standing behind her. I'm creeped out. The mom standing behind. These kids are trained to be like this. It's trained to be and to perform.
Kids, it will be okay.
so
Okay, Dad.
I'm gonna use my Millie Bobby Brown.
I'm just scared.
OMG. It's so smooth at the top.
Your skin's always smooth. You're fine. You're actually 5 years old.
Okay, my face is all clean. Next up, my elbow. It's so satisfying. Listen. Dry, dry, dry.
All right, hey, let's do some cute. Yeah. Are you fucking sick? How about this one? She's using her kids to sell stuff on TikTok Shop.
These Barbie pink Stanleys are under
Let's just hug each other. Just
Go get 'em.
one bit before we die.
Eligible for commission at the bottom. I'm about to have a heart attack. This is some of the worst stuff I have ever seen in my lifetime. In my lifetime, 95.
Let's say goodbye
I can show you videos like that
to
for
everyone.
hours of the exploitation of these children.
Her ring comes.
Trying to showcase 10-year-old skincare routine because it's a hot topic right now. It's trending. It's
Oh,
going to get them
frick.
views. It's going to get them
Wait.
likes. It's going to get them sponsorships. I am
There's
disgusted
something-
and disturbed. Okay? I am disgusted and disturbed. This is obviously a very complex issue, okay? Some of which I don't think people have actually even understand the depths of this. I don't see how at this point, after seeing what you've all seen, you could consider this to not be a problem, no big deal. Just chalk it up to jealousy over 10-year-olds, as the person said. I mean, that was weird. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest, that was weird. Jealous over 10-year-olds, because 10-year-olds can afford it. No, 10-year-olds can't afford it, their parents can. I don't think 10-year-olds should be in Sephora. I don't think 10-year-olds should know what drunk elephant is. I don't think they should be on social media. I don't. I am only saying this stuff because I want to preserve the childhood of these children. I want them to remain innocent. I want them to live their lives as long as they possibly can.
I really don't want to go.
The change that we all experience of we feel like we don't look good enough. We feel like we're not young enough. We feel like we don't have enough products. We don't have enough money. We don't have this product. We want to fit in. I don't want them to feel like that. I don't want
Glass
them to feel
breaks.
like that. It's these companies and this society that we live in that is pushing these children to think that they need things. It's not just one thing. I think that
Sea level rise. No sea level rises. The rate still happens. Later.
Another, just a lack of stores for tweens without without stores like Limited 2 or Libby Lou.
What happened to the sky?
But kids don't want to go to Claire's anymore. They're just bypassing that and going straight to Sephora. In my opinion, there's stores for that tween demographic where they can spend money and it's age appropriate stuff. You know, even stores I think back to like, from tweens to actually be directed towards my age.
God, we can't escape enough in time.
20s, early 20s. In these 10-year-old
Your house.
They don't really have a lot of places to go, so you can't really blame them if they want to go get dropped off at the mall. Where are they going to shop? That's another issue on top of all the other issues.
I don't think it's from the sea level still.
It's easier said than done, but that's just the reality.
We need help. We need to send help.
And become part of the machine, which is consumerism, attempting to look younger, attempting to enjoy it, and don't forget to like this video and please subscribe if you enjoy it. I do make a ton of videos like this.
Beep 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 beep. Hello. Hello, this is the emergency services. What is happening? There's flood. Okay, sending help on the way. Help will be here in 30 minutes. 30 minutes? They'll take a long time. No, actually, okay, tell me when. Help will be here shortly. Oh. Yeah, that was not confirmed though. Oh, help said they will be here actually in 20 minutes and 38 seconds. No, please. Okay, oh wait. Alright. Alright, that was just like false reports. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh, that sounds quick. But I bet we won't make it there. But we won't make it there to the thing in time.
Natural integration is on the rise right now for one popular green supplement company known as Bloom Nutrition.
We do gotta go.
By design. Let's move on to our next example.
False report again. It will only take 4 minutes and 1 second. Oh frick, they said 4 minutes. That'll take long. It would just like another whole year. Well, start soon.
Posting requirement. Are you ready for the next one? Make sure fitness journey and lost 90 pounds and kind of it's relevant to these supplements and they help me with my mental health and they help me with yada yada yada. Just in doing my my research and whatnot. People don't really seem to like that. I've gathered that it's like 2 things that people don't like.
Help!
Former fitness influencer, so she's not a dietitian.
Break the roof.
So she's just an influencer. People just don't attribute a lot of credibility to those kind of people. So I think that's what's happening here. The people that seem to know her and have followed her journey from like the beginning and things like that by any means. And they have, you know, other kind of products and stuff like pre-workouts, matchas and stuff, but this is the main one. And it's marketed toward helping with digestion, bloating, and immunity. To me, that's the death of all of us. I immediately don't. I'm like, okay, done. Like, done. No, not done by it. Gut health, it's too vague of a term. These are buzzwords. We'll get into more of the nitty-gritty from actual registered dietitians and things, some professionals later on in the video, and they'll be able to tell you. But personally, for me, I see that, I go, don't care.
Hey guys,
This is just
so can I tell you a disgusting story?
Because greens should be something that would be a universal thing. Like, you know, we all have digestive systems. Would this not be a universal product? And I think the answer is yes, this probably would be a universal product, but why is it not being marketed towards men? And this
I was gonna say digestive system. Do poo! I'm gonna drown, Mom. Why would you freaking leave me in?
Will buy the product based on the marketing alone. I think that they think we're naive, that we'll fall for anything, that we'll buy anything as long as it has aesthetic packaging. They're saying like that because they're very loud products. This is a product for women. No, this product should probably be for everybody. Obviously, she's not cheap, okay?
How do we break this? I don't know. Throw the glass water bottles. Oh, that worked. Okay. Okay, why the heck would I throw a glass water bottle down? Oh, that actually sounds weird. Dude, go on the roof of the house. Okay. Do not.
That is one of the things that I believe is contributing to.
Dude, wake up. Well, hope so. Hold on.
The water is rising.
How the heck can I help you, dummy?
Calm down.
Okay, but how do we get out?
Idk.
Okay.
The plane is here.
Okay.
We need to get on the plane.
Your voice changed.
Yeah, I make more voice.
What am I even saying? Just get on the freaking plane.
Okay.
Okay.
Plane lowered.
Yay. Don't hang off. Ow.
Sorry. It's okay.
Okay. We. Ow.
Is that everyone?
No,
We need to get to the Chiang office.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's leave our son.
Why the heck would you not bring our son? He will fricking die.
He's a Fuang person, mother Fu Ker.
Does not mean we leave our son. Mom,
Yes.
Mom, Dad, where are you? I'm scared.
Boat is coming. I'm here to save you, kid.
Yay! We.
Watch this.
We crashed into the office.
Oh no, I need help. Another plane will save me, right?
Help!
I will hold your feet.
Okay.
If there's flood, don't drown.
Ho ho ho!
Shut up, id Sterling Santa thing.
Okay.
Ho ho ho! Whatever.
Goodbye, flood. I've never been on a plane, so goodbye.
The city is underwater.